Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got these gorgeous Rihanna inspired locks. They're supposed to be thick and chunky, kind of like hers are, but they're just a little bit thinner because I didn't think if they were too chunky they were going to look good on me. But anyways, I'm going to be showing you, sorry, I'm just like trying to fix these, but I'm going to be showing you how I got my hair like this and how you can get your hair like this. And yeah. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the hair. I used 7 packs of the Marley braid hair. I bought 9, but I only used 7, and I bought them in the color 2 and also 1B. So half of the packs I bought were 1B, and then half of them were in the color 2. I have twists under these dreads, and I have about 34 dreads. So I'm going to show you how my twists look under the dreads. So yeah, that's pretty much how I did the twist. It was really quick. I washed my hair, deep condition, then I put the little twist in. I let them dry a little bit, and then I started doing the dreads. So I'm gonna show how I did the dreads up close in a video. So I grabbed 3 strands of the Marley hair, and then I'm gonna like use a shorter side on one side and then use the longer end to wrap around my actual twist. And then I'm gonna wrap around like about 5 times. And if you need to wrap more than 5, if you want it more tighter, and if you want to wrap less than 5 times, that's also fine. Sometimes I would wrap around like 3 times. And then you're gonna grab the other piece of Marley hair. In a second, you're gonna see me do that. Dang, girl. Okay, yeah, so you grab the other piece, and then you put a shorter end on one side, and then wrap again around about 5 times with that piece of hair. And then you start wrapping down the length of the dread. So when you run out of your first strand of Marley hair, you're going to tuck the little end and then grab another strand and do the same thing. You basically just put the shorter end on the inside and wrap with the longer end. And you're going to just go all the way down until you need to add more hair. And make sure when you get close to the end of your actual twist, as you can see my twist is sticking out a little bit, you wrap kind of tight around there so that your hair doesn't, stick out of the actual dread. And yeah, so basically I just used 3 strands of the marley hair inside a dread, and then I just wrapped around, and then whatever else I needed to add I would wrap with more hair. And this took about 5 hours. It was actually really quick. I thought it would take longer, but it was pretty quick. I added seashells in my hair. Let's see, well, not seashells, but like little shells, and I'm also going to show you how to add these little shells in your hair. And then the dreads are super long, so the dreads are pretty long. They're all the way to my back. So for them to be that long and it to take that little bit, I thought it was like a pretty good, quick, protective style. So yeah, these are my locks and they're cute. So hopefully you can also get your hair like this by watching my tutorial. Hopefully I explained good enough what I did. If you have any questions, you can comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, share this video, like, thumbs up, and I'll be back with another